Hey there, future freelancers. Dreaming of landing your first client and starting your freelancing career in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide to getting your first freelance client, even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or just exploring freelancing, this guide is packed with actionable tips to help you succeed. Oh, and if you're serious about freelancing, stick around because I'll show you how learnbusiness.org can help you every step of the way. Let's dive in. First things first, what is freelancing? Think of it as being your own boss. You offer a service, whether it's writing, graphic design, web development, or even social media management, and clients pay you for your skills. The best part? You get to choose who you work with, set your own rates, and work from anywhere, but here's the catch. While freelancing sounds amazing, getting your first client can feel like trying to sell ice to a penguin. That's why we're here, to make it easy for you. Before we get into the steps, let's talk about why freelancing is bigger than ever in 2025. Remote work is here to stay. Companies are embracing remote work, and freelancers are in high demand. AI and automation, tools like ChatGPT and Canva are making it easier than ever to deliver high-quality work. Global opportunities, you're no longer limited to local clients. You can work with anyone, anywhere in the world. But here's the reality check. Freelancing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes effort, especially when you're just starting out. Let's talk about how to make it happen. Step 1. Choose your niche. Don't try to be a jack of all trades. Focus on one skill you're good at, whether it's writing, design, or coding. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What skills do I already have? And most importantly, what do people need help with? Pro tip, check out learnbusiness.org for a free guide on finding your perfect niche. Step 2. Create a portfolio. Even if you don't have paid experience, you can create sample work to showcase your skills. For example, if you're a writer, start a blog or write guest posts. If you're a designer, create mock-ups for fictional brands. Your portfolio is your first impression, make it count. Step 3. Set up profiles on freelance platforms. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Optimize your profile with a professional photo, a catchy headline, and a clear description of your services. Pro tip, use keywords like freelance writer or graphic designer to make your profile easier to find. Step 4. Network like crazy. Reach out to friends, family, and LinkedIn connections. Let them know you're freelancing and ask if they need help with anything. You'd be surprised how many opportunities come from people you already know. Step 5. Pitch, pitch, pitch. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Send cold emails or messages to potential clients, offering your services. Keep your pitch short, professional, and focused on how you can solve their problems. And if you're wondering how to write a winning pitch, learnbusiness.org has templates to help you get started. Let's talk about real-life examples. Take Sarah, for instance. She started as a freelance graphic designer with no clients and no portfolio. She created sample designs for fictional brands, posted them on Behance, and shared them on social media. Within a month, she landed her first client, a small business owner who loved her work. Or John, who started as a freelance writer. He pitched 10 businesses a day, offering to write free blog posts in exchange for testimonials. After a few weeks, he had enough testimonials to land paid gigs. The key? They didn't wait for opportunities, they created them. And if you want to learn more about their strategies, check out the case studies on learnbusiness.org. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Here are some common mistakes new freelancers make. Undercharging, don't sell yourself short. Research industry rates and charge what you're worth. Overpromising, be honest about what you can deliver. It's better to underpromise and overdeliver. Ignoring contracts, always have a contract in place to protect yourself and your client. And if you're not sure how to set your rates or create a contract, learnbusiness.org has free templates to help you out. Landing your first client is just the beginning. To build a successful freelancing career, you need to keep your clients happy. Here's how: communicate clearly, keep your clients updated on your progress and ask for feedback. Deliver quality work, always go above and beyond to exceed expectations. Ask for referrals, Happy clients are your best source of new business. Don't be afraid to ask for referrals or testimonials. And remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on building relationships, and the clients will come. So, there you have it, the ultimate step-by-step guide to landing your first freelance client in 2025. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or anything in between, the key is to take action. Start by choosing your niche, creating a portfolio, and pitching like crazy. And if you're serious about freelancing, don't forget to check out learnbusiness.org for guides, templates, and tools to help you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Learn Business channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.